Justin, toronksu, Charmander Sidekick edition. Put that one back there for you. It's right there. This is box 9. I was gonna say 6. Box 9. Put you down for the Bengals card. That guy is right there. Plus some other stuff in here. There's some nice stuff coming out of this though. I uninstalled Apple software on my computer. That is true though. Alright, some Prism for Justin. Got green pack. Something black in the middle. Alright, we got Gibble, Roselia, Turtwig, Krogunk, Gibble. What's the difference? What's the difference between the Gibbles? And Cyrus. Cyrus the Virus. Behind him, you got Shittle Talk. One is stuck in the underground. Shittle Talk. Energy. Unidentified Fossil. Rotom and Mount Coronet. I know. Cyrus the Virus. This guy's going to start breaking soccer boxes right now. Green. Bunnelby, Houndour, Dano, Carablast, Jangmo, Gorgeist. Starmie. That's pretty cool. It looks like a real life photo. Energy, Psychic Mary, Aselgor, and Kakuna. Shittle. Alright, come on. Big card. Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, and Nidorino. Horn Attack. Starmie. Koffing, Trainer. Oh! Is this one of those secret rare cards? Sweet. Executor! Secret rare mysterious. There's 4 in total. Alright, this is box 3. You like it how I'm opening this stuff and I have no idea nothing about anything except for a shiny Charizard? I think I have more of this. Like, I can get more of this, I think. If you guys want me to get more, I think I could get more. I'm not 100% sure. Pikachu, or I mean Charmander. Like watching hockey. I'm Try it, man. It's just so hard to learn. Foil, reverse foil, shiny, prism, EX, Mega, VMAX, secret rare, rare. What's the other ones? No, I can't. I had somebody in Hong Kong go and ask for packs, and they're like, they said they looked at him, laughed at him, and he walked out. Eevee, Sneasel, Carnivine, Bunairy, Passamin, and Primpla. Whatever that 5 is, that star V or whatever it's called. Araquanid. Energy, Gumshoes, Cherim, and Unidentified Fossil. Shiny Star V, yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Come on. Encino, Magikarp, Execute, Cubone, Mankey, Type Null, Guzzlord, by the name of some of the girls we know. Guzzlord. Type Null, some bucks. Energy, Militank, Hakamo'o, and Dashing Pouch. Oops, keep doing that. White pack. Alright. Nidorano, Poliwag, Energy, Rattata, Vulpix, and we got Ninetales. Have a good one, Stan. Thank you very much, sir. And it is Mew. ¿Se Gabriel? Got trainer, 3 trainers. And that was it. And that is Justin. Thanks, senor.